In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right AliExpress on your Android smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, for you to get the right AliExpress shopping app, you need to go ahead and find Play Store app on your Android smartphone. So if you go through your apps, you should be able to see Play Store. Go ahead and tap on it. And from here, you need to go ahead and log in with your Gmail account for you to be able to search for your app. So to search your app, use the search bar on top here, or if you can see the search bar, you should see a search icon. Go ahead and tap on it to activate the search. Now to find your app, just type AliExpress like that. And remember, it is just one word, and tap on the search icon here. As you can see, we have our AliExpress here. So to know that it's the right app, first go ahead and open it to access details and make sure it is from this company, Alibaba Mobile. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.6 with over 15 million reviews, and currently the app has been downloaded over 500 million times. So this data might have changed by the time you're watching this. The current size is averagely 27 MBs, and these are the correct details for this app, and the logo is this. So to get this app, now tap on install, and this will download the latest version of AliExpress shopping app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open from here. Or if we go back now to our apps, let me open my apps. You can see we have our app here. Now go ahead and tap on it to open, and this is the welcoming interface. Go ahead and select your country and then tap on continue. You can go ahead and log in, or you can just start your shopping experience even without logging in. So that's how you can install the right AliExpress app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.